I recently visited Ponca City and went to the Stuteville Ford Lincoln dealership. The great activities in and around Ponca City create an excellent work-life balance. Another large lake within a short distance of Ponca City is Kaw Lake Wildlife Management Area. It has public hunting and public lake access. The public hunting area covers 16,254 acres. It's adjoining the upper two-thirds of Kaw Lake in eastern Kay County in north central Oklahoma. There's low numbers of pheasant and greater prairie chicken available. There's plenty of fox squirrel, and there's gray squirrels also, but only in limited locations. The bobwhite quail and white-tailed deer are very abundant. Fur bearers, including the coyote, bobcat, and raccoon, are very plentiful. There's cottontail rabbits, Rio Grande turkeys, dove, ducks, and geese, which are usually present in good numbers in most years. The American bald eagle is one of Kaw Lake's most popular winter attractions. Traditionally, Kaw Lake has one of the state's largest populations of wintering bald eagles. There's numerous sites around the lake offering visitors excellent opportunities to view our nation's symbol. Peak viewing opportunities occur in January. Kaw Lake has 9 public use areas and over 250 campsites available around the lake. 10 boat ramps provide boaters with easy access. Kaw Lake and the Arkansas River have long been known for producing some of Oklahoma's largest catfish. The flathead, the blue cat, and the channel catfish all reside in the lake. Kaw Lake also offers anglers excellent opportunities to catch crappie, sand bass, black bass, and walleye. The lake covers 17,000 surface acres and has 168 miles of shoreline. There's no shortage of areas to fish or hunt in the Kaw Wildlife Management Area. Overall, I give Stuteville, Ford, and Ponca City high recommendations because of the people, because of the company, and the location. The family feel and cooperation of the staff from general manager down to lube tech, along with the modern facility and activities and attractions of the Ponca City area, makes this a very desirable place to live and work. If you'd like to find out information about what job opportunities there is at Stuteville, Ford, and Ponca City, just contact me.